Welcome back to Explore Error, how to fix your VPN not working on your iPhone. So if you're trying to connect to a VPN and it's not working, I'll show you two simple ways to fix this issue. First, open the settings on your phone and scroll down, then tap on General. Now, scroll down again and select iPhone Storage. After that, scroll through the list of apps until you find the VPN app you have installed on your phone. For me, it's this one called VPN Super. Once you select your VPN, tap on Offload App, and then press Offload again to confirm. After that, tap on Reinstall App. Now, go back to the main settings page, tap on General again, then scroll all the way down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings, and enter your iPhone passcode. Once you've completed all these steps, open your VPN app again and try connecting to your VPN.